Some small businesses have received the Canada Carbon Rebate payment, and this video will show us how can we record this payment in our accounting system. First, let us understand which company can receive this rebate. A small or medium-sized business that exists in a province where the federal fuel charge applies can be eligible if the company was a CCPC or a Canadian-controlled private corporation and had less than 500 employees throughout Canada in that calendar year. Why will the company receive the rebate? Because there were new regulations that eliminated the rebate, and a portion of the fuel charge proceeds from the year 2019 to 2024 were returned. Eligible businesses will receive a notice for the Canada Carbon Rebate for businesses, indicating the amount of the rebate, the period ending date, the date on which the amount would be issued, and the method of payment. Companies will receive the rebate into their bank account with a description of Canada Carbon Rebate. It is always helpful to receive a government assistance, but now comes the challenge: how can we record this amount correctly in our books? It might be a little bit challenging to record this rebate amount, especially when it is considered to be tax credit, a refundable tax credit. So, for example, if we add it to other income on the revenue side of the income statement, that means that this rebate amount would be included in the company's income, and the company will pay taxes on this amount. At the same time, it is considered a refundable tax credit. So it is a little bit confusing how to deal with this amount. But luckily, the government of Canada indicated very clearly how can we report this rebate amount. And it said that we must include it in the taxable income. Yes, there was a proposal to make this rebate tax-free, but this proposal is not active up to now. So currently, or under the current legislation, the rebate amount will be considered as assistance received from the government, and it is subject to taxation. So it is correct to include it in the taxable income when filing the T2 corporation income tax return for the year in which the rebate was received. And now we can record the transaction as sales invoice. The customer can be the Canada Carbon Rebate CCR for small businesses. The payment method would be cash because we received the amount as a direct deposit. The date of the invoice will be the date when we receive the amount in the bank. The account will be the revenue, other income, or other services in our case. And the journal entry will debit the bank account and credit the revenue, other income, or other services account. Thank you very much for watching. I hope to see you next time.